Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, don't ask me why I'm outside. Well, it's the mother nature. But we got something which is so amazing from the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. Now, Infinix Hot 7 Pro launched the device, and something which is so great, they launched on this month. It's June 10th. They launched the device, but is it that much worth it for this device? Since the price is not that much expensive, it's actually 100% budget, but is it that much worth it? So for further info, let us just get started on this video. Now, what we're getting from this device, we're getting a 6GB of RAM. Now, to my kind of experience, is it really 100% 6GB of RAM? But precisely, we have seen it from other kind of variant of Hot 7 or other kind of variant of Infinix, and I think to my own kind of aspect on this kind of go for the Infinix, what they bring to us is something which is so incredible. Something else about the processor side, I think to my own kind of aspect, they just bring out to us the MTK, but I expected something like a Snapdragon, but it's not Snapdragon in here. I think to my own kind of aspect, it's only MTK, but yeah, that's what it is. Another kind of stuff when it comes to body, it's a 6-inch body. Now 6-inch body, I won't just get disappointed through this device. I will just get excited since it will be a little bit much handler like on my device. Like you see my phone here, it's 6-inch, so I can hold it, I can enjoy the full amount of the display. But what I hated about the device, it's the notch. Else on this device, it has a color. Now the color which surprised me is the midnight black and aqua blue. Now the aqua blue, it seems to be so great, but the midnight black seems to be more calm. I mean, just picture a black color of the device, but it's a little bit more midnight. So a midnight black, it looks like a matte. So I think to my own kind of aspect, that's something which is so great to my own kind of aspect, and I give it go. Something else on this device is the camera side. It gives you a 13-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel camera. That means at the back of the phone, you get these two cameras here, which gives you a 13-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel camera. Don't ask me just what are they for. They're actually one for telephoto and the other one for wide and the other one for portrait and the other one for bokeh, and you get a lot of functionality throughout your camera. Now this is the Infinix Hot 7, and I think it's the Pro, and I think to my own kind of aspect, the 4000 milliampere battery is something which is so amazing, and I give it go actually 100%. And another kind of stuff, yeah, and the pricing. Now let us just jump into the pricing. The pricing just costs around 125 USD. It's quite cheaper to my own kind of aspect for what specification you're getting. It's something which is so amazing. So the 125 USD is something which it's so great for this kind of device. What you'll get another kind of stuff on this device, the body out of it looks very nice, but you can cope with iPhone X. Well, definitely it looks like an iPhone X, but right from the bat, it's just amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you got the info ASAP, and if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim 113. I changed my name to 112 to 113. It's a big scenario. I'll talk about it on the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.